Hi, I am Stephanie with Charm Southern Home. Welcome to myself on Virtual Home Decor Marketplace for our Halloween event this weekend. And happy Mother's Day. And this is my only sale for this weekend, so after my sale, I'll invoice anybody that placed an order, and I'll get this out at the beginning of next week for you. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. So this is my first item. This is kind of a jack-o'-lantern scarecrow type of guy. These, I didn't make this little guy, but I did kind of add some things to him. So he's about 10.5 inches tall, and he's got some pip berries. It's got a rusty bell, some homespun, and he is number 179 for $14, and I do have more than one. And if you would like a different color bow, if you like orange or something like that, just let me know, and I can see what I've got. So $179 for $14 for the jack-o'-lantern guy. Let's see. Can y'all see my mixer? I've got some brand new mixer sets that are Halloween themed. So if you like my mixer sets, it's a 2-piece set. It comes with the bow. It's pre-tied and they are reversible. You can flip it around the other way, and the bowl cover is also reversible as well. This one reverses to an orange with black dots. So this is my first one tonight. These fabrics are limited. They were from Joann's. So all of my Halloween prints for my mixer covers tonight is very limited. So these are number 101, and they are $22 each. Number 101 for $22 for the cats. It's kind of a vintage cat. So that's the first one. I can take orders for some of these. And then also if you have some of the tote bags that I have done, I can do these prints in those as well. As long as I have it available, I can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and show these first and get these out of the way. So this is my other mixer outfit. This one's kind of just like potions, and it's got mushrooms and crystals and all kinds of stuff on it. This one reverses to the orange and kind of a cream plaid. And then here's the bow that goes with this one. So you can turn it either way, whichever way you'd like to have it. So this one's number 176. 176 for the potion one, the potion set. I love this one. This one's got the kind of vintage look with the cats and the costumes, the trick-or-treaters. And then the reverse of that one is this really neat kind of plaid that's got lime green, purple, and black in it. And so here is the band for that one. So this one is going to be number 116. 116 for that one. Thank you guys for hopping on. I'm sorry I can't see comments. Let me see here. This one. But I will say hi to you afterwards. So be sure you say hi if you hop on, or if you catch the replay later. If you're watching the replay later, let me know. All right, so this one has a purple background, and this has just lots of different things. It's got ghosts and bats and pumpkins and candy on it. And this one reverses to an orange with white dots. So here's the band for this one. So that's how that one would look. Or you can flip them around and do them the opposite way. Number 127 for that set. 127. If you see one that you would like to do in one of my little lotion bar totes, just let me know. I can do any of the prints like that. I have a couple other ones I didn't get a chance to make up yet. So I was going to show you, these are options that you have. This is another one that's got pumpkins on it. And this is going to reverse to a black and white check. This one's number 149. And another cute option that you're going to have, I have upside down. This is the little trick-or-treat puppy dogs with candy corn and all different things in there. And that one's going to reverse to paw prints. And it's number 166. It has a gray background. 166 for that one. I'm almost done with these, and I'll move on to some of my other stuff. And then this one's just a fall, like sunflowers, happy fall. It's really pretty, black and white, and it has some orange and yellow in it. And then I was going to reverse it to this cute print with the leaves, and it's got some birds and squirrels and different things on it. So this one's number 121, and I'll post some pictures when I get these made up. I just ran out of time. My last one. All right, and then I have this cute one that's got the pumpkins on there, and this one reverses to that blue print with the pumpkins. And here is the headband for the mixer for that one, or you can switch it around however you want to do it. This one's number 131. 131 for that one. All right, next up, I've lost my tag. All right, so this is a hand-painted, just a wooden board, and I hand-painted the witch that's on here. And then it's got a handmade rag bow, and I added a hanger so you can hang it up, or you can just use it as a leaner if you want to. The background is black, and this measures about a little less than 11 inches, and it's number 157, and it is $22. 157 for $22. I only have one of those. Go ahead and do this one and get this one out of my way. So this is a big wooden spool, and then I've got some pumpkins and leaves and Rusty Bell. It's about 19 inches tall. I've only got one, number 185. It's $28. Pardon my backwards writing there on that one. That one was hard to do. 185 for $28. I'll be glad if they get our camera reversal thing fixed. Let's see. I'm only on for 15 minutes tonight, so let's see. And I do have some pumpkins that I made. These are plaid. You get a set of two. The big one is 6 inches wide, and the little one is 4 inches wide. And you get both of them in the set. And this one is number 151. It's $14 for the set of 2. And my other set. This one is got a really pretty sunflower print, and then I've got that dark green bow on it with some leaves, and these are the same size as the other one, a 6 inch and a 4 inch, and you get the set. This one's $104 for $14 for the set of 2. Okay, I have this guy. This is a wooden pumpkin. It's dimensional. It has some wooden pieces, and then the crow on here, he is fabric. And it's got another little crow right here and another one up here. It says Autumn Blessings, and it has some pip berries. The back is just a stained collar, and it's about 13 inches from the top of the hanger to the bottom. It's number 167 for $20, and I only have one of those. Then I have a grater with pumpkins and sunflowers and leaves. This one's kind of an older grater. Got some of the little rusty spots on there. And it's number, if I get a hold of it here, it's number 134, and it's $24. 134 for $24. Let's see here. Then I have a wooden berry basket with pumpkin and fall leaves, and this is number 148, and it is $16. I've only got one of these right now. I don't have enough stuff to make another one right now, but I can make more later. 148 for $16. I have a hand-painted cow, hand-painted Highland cow with sunflowers on this old oil can. And it's got a pumpkin in the top of it and some leaves. This is number 194 for 24. 194 for 24. Thank you guys for hopping on. I see some new people hopping on. I'm only on for about 5 more minutes, but the replay will be up for 2 days, so you can always catch it if you missed the beginning. Okay, and I have, this is a wooden pumpkin that pumpkin pie that I've painted, and so it's a chunky one. This would be cute for any time, and it's number 160 for $8. 160 for $8. I think it's 4, nope, it is 7 inches wide. This way, 7 inches. Okay. Then I have a dough bowl arrangement for you. It comes with everything that you see. It's got the moss in there, some pip berries, the cotton, the sunflower, and then the candle just sits here. And this is a timer candle. I have it on. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it kind of flickers. Nothing is glued in, so you can take these out and change it out for another season if you want to. And I only have one of these available. It's $143 for $24. $143 for $24 for everything in the bowl. And it's about 10 inches wide. Get hold of my scarecrow guy here. He has a sunflower on his hat and some patches and some wooden buttons there on his outfit. He's number 132 for $20. I'd measure him, but I dropped my ruler and I can't get to it. 132 for $20. But he's probably about 16, guessing about 16 inches long from top to bottom. So these perfect for Halloween, or you can use them the entire fall season. These are the mini Putka pods, the little mini pumpkins. These are not scented, these are unscented. And then it has a rag bow here that you can use on other things. Just untie it, and then you can tie that onto something else that you've got. And it has the metal star on it. It's number 129. It's $10. I've only got one available. Have a, this is handmade by me, a pumpkin patch wood door hanger, and this is number 165 for $22. 165 for $22. If you need measurements on that, just let me know and I'll measure it and let you know in a little bit, because I dropped my yardstick. Let's see, what time is it? I'll show you a couple more things. I have a couple patriotic things available. I lost my number for this one too. Alright, so this is Proud to Be an American patriotic beehive. You can hang it or lean it, and it's going to be number 300, and it's $20. Number 300 for that one. This one, this is a candlestick. I have pip berries inside of it. I don't have any taper candles at the moment, but you get the pip berry bundle with it, and I have it tied there so that it wouldn't fall out. It's a candle holder. You can adjust the height of your candle by spinning this little wooden piece around that's at the bottom of it, and then I've got just some homespun tied to it. I only have one of these, and it is number 180, and it's $14. 180 for $14. The bottom of it's kind of shaped like a heart. Okay. Then I have some hand-painted wood blocks. This one says Saved by Grace, and it's got the bow on the top. The 184 for $12. 184 for $12. Then I have this one that says Fall Vibes with a pumpkin, and these, I hand painted these, and this one's number 128, and it is $12. Okay, then I have a couple of windmills. This one is $137 for $12. These are about, I think about 10 inches tall. $137 for $12. And then this one is number 197 for $12. $197. And these bows are not glued, they're just tied on here. So you could always take those off or change them for a different season if you wanted to. And my time is up. Thank you for watching. If you catch the replay, say hi. Swipe your screen. Angie's Expressions is up after me, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks, everybody.